Hi, this is Albert Pinto, and you are watching. Thanks for watching. Learn with Albert Pinto technical tips via tutorial. Today we are going to see how to remove the dummy text which is there on some templates. Actually, this is not a dummy text, but this can be used for the description of the author, where you can put your image and whatever description you want to mention there. So this is my blog, which is about poems or poetries. In this template, here you can see the dummy text which I want to remove, since it is of no use for me, and also it gives a bad impression to my blog, so I want to remove it totally. So first, go to your blog and sign. I have already done. This is the dashboard of my blog. Let's go to the theme and click on it. Click here and click on Edit HTML. Next, place your cursor anywhere and press Ctrl F. Then go to your blog where the dummy text box or the logo is placed. Take this text from here, highlight, and go to your theme again. Go to search and Ctrl V, paste it. So these are our codes for the dummy text box. Now let's highlight from here to here and delete. There is another code which we have to delete, that is this one. Highlight from here to here and delete. Save the theme. Next, we'll go to our blog and refresh. There you are. The dummy text box has been deleted. I hope, my friend, this video was useful to you. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because I will be coming up with more and more videos which will be very helpful to you for your future references. Thank you for watching. Cheers, take care, and bye-bye.